So what is up, welcome to this video. What is the Python typing module for interviews, also for Python development and Python exams? So in this video we are going to check out on this playlist what type the typing module is in Python. So it was actually introduced in Python 3.5, and the typing module brings static type annotations to Python's traditionally dynamic typing system. And this powerful addition to the standard library allows developers to explicitly specify variable types, function parameters, and also return values. So by providing these optional type hints, the typing module significantly enhances code readability and makes developer intent clearer, and it serves as a bridge between Python's flexibility and the safety benefits of static typing without changing Python's runtime behavior. So we also have here the features and benefits of the typing module. It is a rich type vocabulary which includes specialized types like any, list, dict, union, optional, callable, and many more for precise annotations. We also have the static analysis as a benefit of the typing module, which enables tools like MyPy to catch type related error before runtime, significantly reducing bugs in our code. And then we also have the improved collaboration, makes code more self-documenting and maintainable, especially valuable for large teams and complex projects. So that's it for now with the typing module, okay, and its benefits and also what it is. So thank you for watching this video. This is Ayo the General.